Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming hardware. Only Intel or AMD Chromebooks can run full Windows. Once confirmed, back up your user data and decide whether to use Parallels, supported models, or a full install via developer mode. Enable developer mode or enroll a managed device that permits Parallels. Make sure you have a valid Windows license and an 8+ GB USB installer ready. While you set these items, understand this step defines whether you use virtualization or overwrite Chrome OS firmware. If using Parallels, install the Parallels client for Chrome OS, create a new Windows VM, and allocate CPU cores, RAM, and disk space. Then run the Windows installer inside the VM. If you must install Windows natively, unlock firmware, developer mode, and custom firmware. Boot from the USB installer, partition the drive, and install drivers afterward. Alternatively, set up Linux with kvm/kemu and a Virt Manager VM for more control. Make sure you install Chrome OS recovery media before any firmware change. Complete setup by installing Windows drivers and guest tools so Wi-Fi, audio, and touchpad work reliably. Once done, adjust VM resources or native drivers to tune performance. Make sure you retain a Chrome OS recovery USB and the original firmware image so you can revert if boot fails. If Windows won't boot, check secure boot settings, reflash recovery firmware, and verify the installer USB integrity. If performance lags, increase assigned RAM/CPU, enable Vertio drivers, or switch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.